Well, I hope you had some good rest. We just had some minor changes on the home page. We still have this grey line under the video here. I've also made some screenshots about this so you can check them out. We want to remove that so it's just white. The next point, the fact section's background. See how this one's really big? This one's also a little big, but as we move down here, how to make CBD, or the space here is perfect. Can you make all the fact sections this size, please? 1, 2, 3. Just make them 3 the same size as that, please. So there's the same space. Then the site will look consistent. I've also made some made a screenshot of this as well. My next point, the text layouts. They kind of sit in the middle. That was my fault because I said do it like Evie Bloom, but can we move them sort of over here a bit? For that one, the middle one will go to the left a bit, and the bottom one will go more to the right. Again, I made some screenshots for you. Just sort of move them over. Make it all look neat, please. The fourth section is just, you need to link this order now button to the shop. So when they click on that, it takes them to the shop. This bottom brush feature here, I think the gap's too big. Can you make this smaller so there's only like a little sort of bit of the feature that separates this bottom image and the footer? So we don't want this big gap. Just that feature. That's enough. Then people can just, tell that there's a bit of a gap between the footer and the bottom image. So yeah, that's just too much of a gap. And finally, we just need to change that copyright to this in here. So all the instructions are there. You can use this video and the images in the folder. Thank you.